Men, does this sound like you? You are 30 to 50 years old, busy guy. You're waking up around 6 or 7 in the morning, alarm set for 5, but you hit that snooze button 18 times before getting out of bed. Your eyes open and you grab the phone by the side of your bed, checking all the notifications and emails and Facebook just in case, and of course the Instagram feed just in case. Anyway, you reply, you comment, you like, etc. because you are working. You then grab a coffee or two for that energy and alertness that you need. The kids are up, the wife is up sorting them out. It's all chaos, the chaos has started, the dog needs a walk. So you keep him in the garden because you have things to do as you swig another coffee because you have stuff to be doing, okay? The dog is fed, he gives you those eyes to go for that walk. Walkie time. But you've got too much to do and get done that day. Okay, so you feel bad, but you say you'll take him later. You then grab a convenient snack because you don't have time to cook for yourself and you're out the door to hit the office or work from home. It's in a moment of relief until you sit down in your office chair and begin to get the shit you need to get done. But you're feeling exhausted, you're tired, you're low on energy, you didn't get a good night's sleep again. There's so much noise going on in your mind and you're finding it hard to switch off. If this sounds like you, listen up, okay? Your wife is fast asleep, you have no time, no energy for the orgasms anymore and that connection you used to have. You spend a few hours getting stuff done now. Dealing with work, business, clients, you are reactive to the vigorous ping of the notifications going off on your phone in the world that we live in today. People demanding stuff from your time, your attention, constantly. Your eyes are tired, so you grab another snack or another coffee. And it's not a good snack. It doesn't make you feel good. It makes you feel good in that moment, but it's making you feel worse long term. You keep looking down and you're not seeing what you want to see down there anymore. You're not as lean as you used to be 10, 15 years ago. You know that when the kids are back, you're not going to be able to give them your full attention and focus that they actually want from you. If this is sounding like you, reach out because I have a program designed for you. The guy who wants more energy, who wants to see a body that he likes, who wants to have that connection with his partner again, actually save time and make more money from their work, from having that energy and focus. So you can stop grabbing the biscuits and grab something which is going to make him feel good. So if this sounds like you, reach out because I have the program for you. I'm looking forward to chatting soon. Apply through my website or just send me a message. Looking forward to changing your life.